Chinese companies are not slowing down. Yet another Chinese company, Meituan, has just released a model which is at par with Nano Banana when it comes to image generation and image editing. In this video, we are going to install this LongCat image model locally and we are going to try it out on various benchmarks. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any fluff, without hype. As you can already see that I have covered this LongCat chat and LongCat video some time ago, and both of them were quite impressive models. So I'm really keen to see what they have done this time. This model is bilingual and it comes both in English and Chinese. The system is built with a few key parts here, by the way. It uses a vision language module for its vision, and behind the scene again it uses Qwen 2.5 VL to read the text input, and it also uses an encoder to handle image data. I will be talking more about its architecture, but look at this screen where you can see these are the quality images which you can generate, and the text in Chinese looks really cool, and that is not an easy thing to generate. Okay, for benchmarks, if you go to their technical report, you would see that they have shared a lot of benchmark information, and it has not only beaten the Quen image but also Nano Banana, the previous one. But you know what? Let's test it out to see how much water it holds. I'm going to take you to my local system where I'm running this Ubuntu, and I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. And if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to their website in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. And now let's git clone the repo of LongCat, and that is all done. And now we need to install all the requirements. And all the requirements are done. Now from the root of the repo, let's launch our Gradio demo. And the first time when you run this, it downloads the model, which is around 13 gig of size. While it downloads the model, let's talk more around the model, its features, and bit of its architecture side of things. So as I said, it's a 6 billion parameter model, and the core of the model has two types of transformer blocks, as you can see on your screen, mmdit and singledit, and it uses a method called as mrope to manage spatial information. The model is designed to be efficient and produces strong results, especially for realistic images and clear Chinese text. The training is very interesting if you go through it. The model is put through a training process with several stages. It begins with a progressive pre-training to build foundational skills. Then it moves to supervised fine-tuning to sharpen specific abilities. And finally, it uses two tuning methods, GRPO and DPO, to improve the quality of its outputs. So that is where the goal of this whole model seems to be to generate high quality images with accurate rendered Chinese text. So I'm not sure how the English text works, we will check out, but for Chinese text, it seems the focus is very huge. And while loading the model, it has gone out of memory, just 6 billion parameter model, by the way. So I'm going to move on to a bigger GPU system. So bear with me and I'll be back. So I have moved on to this H100 GPU courtesy Matt's Compute, and it has got 80 GB of VRAM. Model is already now loaded and I have followed the same steps. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. So it is close to 57 gig of VRAM, as you can see here. So, and this is where you can edit images, generate images. Let me first edit an image. Let me upload an image from my local system, and I'm just going to select an image. I will just select this image. All these images are AI generated. Maybe I will just say inch banana 2, maybe apple And then let's edit the image, and the image is being edited. As you can see, let's check the VRAM consumption again. So it has gone just touch over 60 gig. I think that is the max it goes. Let's wait for it to finish and then we will check out the result. And took 10 seconds, but you can see that the results are astounding. Look at the fingers, they are in the same. So there are 4 fingers, and also there are 4 fingers, and rest of the image is same. I don't see any difference at all, and the apple looks good. And the best thing, look at the shadow of the apple on the shirt. So this is really good. Okay, maybe I will just say uh, change the color of t-shirt to red. Let's edit the image. And now look at this result. So this is where I think hardly any company has any moat, because we were all talking about Nano Banana and how good that is. Look at this. Install it locally and have fun. You don't have to pay anyone to edit these sort of images. I mean, it is doing a very decent job. What do you think? Seriously. Okay, so that is quite good. Now let me try to generate an image. So just click on generate image tab. Let me describe the image. I'm describing it like create an image of a young woman with short wavy brown hair styled in a casual, slightly messy look, and then she is holding 2 ripe peaches, one in each hand, positioned close to her face, almost framing it, and then some dressing there. And these are the um, some of the coordinates and width and height of the image. Let's see what it generates. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So it has gone over 61 gig now. Okay, so you should have around 60 gig of VRAM in order to get this model running on your system, it seems. And look at this image. If I really start nitpicking, maybe where she has closed one eye, which I asked it to do, it is, I think, too closed. There is some malformation there, but other than that, it is not bad. I think if I do more iterations, it might be even better. Okay, let's try out another one. I'm now saying it to generate me a photographic image of an anthropomorphic duck holding a samurai sword and wearing traditional Japanese samurai armor, sitting at the edge of a bridge. The bridge is going over a river, and you can see the water flowing gently. His feet are kicking out idly. Behind him, a sign says, "Caution, ducks in this area unusually aggressive." So yes, you see the armor is there, duck is there, sword is there, river is flowing, instruction following is really good. Let's check out English text. So caution is there, colon is there, case is good, and it says ducks in this area are unusually in this area. So area is duplicated, rest is okay. If you come across one, so across is again duplicated, do not something, and consult authorities. So it has done, almost good, but of course we can improve it. But if you look at the image, it has really done really good and looks pretty realistic to me. Next up, let's do a Chinese one. So I'll just start generating it. So I'm asking it to generate me an image, a traditional Chinese interior room with classic architecture and furnishings. The room features dark wooden ceiling beams and traditional Chinese architectural details, white walls with a dark wooden wainscoting and lot of other stuff. And then I'm also giving it a lot of detail around some latticed window, some traditional Chinese furniture, some lighting information, and what would be the color palette. And you can see it has done wonderfully well. And all of these ceramics, they are right as per their tradition, and this drawing looks really really good. If you're Chinese, please let me know what do you think about this text and also the drawing. But whatever I have seen about this beautiful Chinese culture looks really, really good to me. Even this window frame looks pretty original to me. And look at this intricate work. So look, I think, yes, I know that I'm appreciating it a lot, but it is really good. Really love it. If you are a regular member of the channel, you know our lawn situation. So let's try to generate an image depicting that situation, where this is a comedic backyard scene showing a middle-aged man with a goofy, embarrassed grin pushing a lawnmower across a severely overmowed yard. The lawn is patchy and worn with visible dirt patches and sparse growing uh, grass, showing the effects of excessive mowing. And then there is a neighbor, a 27-year-old woman who is jumping on a trampoline in bikini. So you have to be careful. Okay, so yeah, that is fine. See, it has done wonderfully well here. Um, and the lighting is cheerful. The overall tone is this. It has done wonderfully well. And look at this goofy smile. This is really, really good stuff. And it's a whole suburban scene. Look at the overmowed yard. This is good. This is really good. So I think I will just finish the video here. This was so good. Let me know what do you think about LongCat-Image. Again, please follow me on X and subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, please become a member, because all of these servers and everything, this really takes resources and time, and your membership is what keeps the channel going. So I'll be personally very grateful if you support the channel. Thank you for all the support.